Good morning, everyone. Here's me and my coffee, and it kind of matches my hair color. Girl, you know what's good. Hi guys, it is Mad. Welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. And if you are new, make sure you click that subscribe button, become part of the trendiest place on the internet. So I am here with my fluffy coffee, and it's not that good, honestly. I'm not a fan. So in today's video, we are going to be doing a what I eat in a day. And I have not done one of these in forever. I remember filming literally a million of them when I was living in New York City. I just never uploaded them. So I actually just moved into my new apartment with my boyfriend Jack, who hopefully you guys know if you follow me on Instagram. So it's just been really inspiring for me, and I felt like filming what I eat in a day and actually editing it and uploading it. Who would have thought? So just a few quick disclaimers before we get into the fun part, me showing you all of my meals. I am vegan. I do eat a plant-based diet. I have been eating plant-based for 5 years. If you do not agree with the vegan lifestyle, you don't have to watch this video. I am the type of person that respects what other people eat. You eat what makes you feel good. This is just what I do. I am also not a nutritionist or a dietitian, so I'm not going to be giving any nutritional advice in this video because that is not my place. I am just showing you what I eat in a day and what works for me. With that being said, I have mentioned this before on both Instagram and YouTube, but I've gotten more in depth on Instagram. I am recovering from an eating disorder. I have been in recovery for probably 2 years now. Every day is different. Some days are harder than others. Now I am eating what feels good for me. And if that's junk food and a bag of chips, cool. And I try to keep it really balanced, but overall I do what works for me and what makes me feel good. Just please respect that when watching this video. I'm not giving advice. I'm not telling you guys what to eat. This is just what I eat. Yeah, I just thought I would put that out there before I started this video. Let's just get into today's what I eat a day. All right, guys, so we are starting out with a good old breakfast. I am super exhausted in the morning, but I always start the day off with a nice cold glass of water. This really isn't my best look, but it is 8:40 in the morning. I have been working since like 7:30, finishing up a video and posting it for you guys, and now I'm gonna make breakfast. I also have been logging everything that I eat in Cronometer just to make sure that I'm getting enough nutrients, because I am a slacker, and being vegan, I just want to make sure that I am eating enough. So let's get to it. These are accidentally vegan, which is great. These are the croissants from Pillsbury, and these are the sweet Hawaiian ones, so I'm gonna make these. We're gonna have some just egg, some bacon, and I'm gonna do like zucchini and eggs. It's something that my dad always made growing up. Oh, I'm also gonna make the bacon maple flavored. We don't have knives, so everything that I do, I'm cutting with a butter knife. Don't make fun of me. All right, so I'm starting by adding some olive oil into my pan and then just slicing up the zucchini, of course, with my butter knife. How convenient. And then I'm also just gonna chop up some garlic and put it into the pan as well. And I wound up not doing onion because the butter knife and the onion it didn't do the most. So I'm gonna let those veggies saute up and add a little bit of salt and pepper. You can season it however you want to. This is me prepping the croissants. I literally love doing this. It is so satisfying. Basically, it already comes pre-cut for you. You just roll up the little triangles and they look like croissants. It's great. So I'm gonna do that whole tray on a non-stick cookie sheet. All right, so I'm adding my just egg into my veggies and I'm gonna let that cook. I also added some red pepper flakes and a little extra salt and pepper. And there is the beauty herself. And then I added some of my vegan bacon into the pan. And then I just put the croissants in the oven. And a little update, I added some maple syrup to the bacon. This is our favorite orange juice. It is the Natalie's just straight up orange juice. It's expensive, but it is so good. Here it is. This is Jack's. We got the croissants, just egg, scramble, and maple bacon with some orange juice. Jackson, breakfast.
I'll live with it. Thank you.
Good? Do you like it? Hi guys, it is a little bit of time later. I think it's like 2:30 right now. I had so much stuff to do today that I have not had a second to eat. I'm about to go grocery shopping. I just had to stop at my parents' house just to pick up some stuff for our new apartment. I just stopped at this smoothie place and got a green smoothie. It has a bunch of tropical fruit like pineapple, mango, banana. It has coconut butter. It has coconut milk. It has spinach and a few other good things in here. I got that to fuel my grocery trip, and I'm gonna go get some groceries, and then me and Jack are gonna cook an awesome dinner tonight. Let's get to it and continue this crazy busy day. Hi guys, so we're setting up our dining room table that we just got, and then we're gonna make a really good dinner. And in the meantime, I'm gonna have a snack, and I'm feeling salt and vinegar chips. These are my favorite. Something me and Jack bonded over when we met was our love for Lay's salt and vinegar chips. Here is the completed table. It's so cute. It is from West Elm. The sides are like drop leaf, and we can lift those up if we have more guests. There she is. So for our pesto pasta, I used spinach, avocado, some basil. I also used regular pasta, and we also roasted some red potatoes and tomatoes, which you'll see later. And I basically just started by kind of dicing the little baby potatoes, and I just put them all onto the cookie sheet. You could do as many as you want. I just did like 5 or 6 of them. And then I am just gonna toss the potatoes with some olive oil, some garlic powder, some salt and pepper, and some dried oregano leaves, but you can add whatever you want. If you want to make it spicy, you could do that. Really, whatever you want to do with this. It is so good. And now I'm making the pesto sauce. So I just use a clove of garlic, about a handful of spinach. This is kind of all to taste, so whatever you like, you can add it. I did a bunch of olive oil. Once again, no measurements. I added a medium avocado. And this is what's gonna make it really creamy. Added some salt and pepper, and then some oregano, and then I added a bunch of basil. This is obviously what gives it that pesto flavor. And then I also squeezed in half a lemon, and this made it so good. And then I just blended it all up with my hand blender. I also decided to add some cherry tomatoes to the pan and roast them as well. And then I got my pasta water ready. I added a little salt in there, put in the potatoes and tomatoes in the oven, added my pasta once my water boiled, and then added my pesto to the drained pasta. And yeah, that's about it. And I cannot forget that we had a bottle of kombucha for dinner. We just did the Strawberry Serenity by GT Dave. It is the best brand of kombucha ever. Love it the most. Here is the final product. We have some pasta, some homemade avocado pesto, some herb roasted potatoes, and sun-dried tomatoes or roasted tomatoes. And here it is. Let's go eat. Look at our little table. Take a first bite. All right, drum roll, please. Boom, 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 boom. Good?
Delicious.
Yay! It's a success. We're gonna eat this. See y'all later. Hey guys, so we decided to take a socially distant walk with our masks on and go to Ben & Jerry's for a little after dinner treat. So we got non-dairy cookie dough, non-dairy coconut almond fudge chip or something like that. Then we got some pints to go because we love Ben & Jerry's. We got fudge brownie and also cookie dough. Ooh, spooky scary skeletons. The final meal of the day! Ice water. Thanks, Jackson.
Of course.
Are you full to the top?
Stuffed to the
I am full to the top. Alright guys, so that concludes what I ate today. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it so much and got a couple cool recipe ideas. If you do want to see more what I eat in a day is, just let me know. Give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below letting me know what you guys want to see next. I love you guys so much. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!